They may have that in their mind not to come back to the Congress party.
Nongialam jangga Congress hakajila ni kesni kilai kenduk lang ban Ukraine halor ke isu jong kisan ngut ki MLA ki belalik ban yeso syake MDA claim ke jingtip jong keseng. Kat kum gajing thu da working president jong keseng ba penchangan NCM keseng kelarai ban Aiti hapok gajingalam u president ringkat kwe Nongialam ban shim ya karai ba khatduh hakabede bat kite kisan ngut ki MLA.
For other necessary action, it has been entrusted to the President of MPCC, Working President, Vice President, along with the DCC President, to take a final decision in regards with the suspension of these 5 MLA. They may have that in their mind not to come back to the Congress party. But I understand for them also it is a big problem. Why? Because I think you understand that Congress is not only an organization of leaders, it is the organization of the grassroots party workers. So as of now, I think you know yesterday, office bearer from Ramrai Block Congress Committee officially sent by the Block Congress Committee to meet with the official of the MPCC to discuss regarding the confusions on the suspension of the MLAs. We understand that the party workers are very much with the party. I think the MLA cannot take on his own decision to run away from the party and lose the election. So I do believe that still if it is not in the mind to stay with the party, but because of the party workers that who had made them win during the election in 2018, see, they have to review. They have to relook on this issue. So at the same time, I cannot say anything because right now we had entrusted this suspension issue to the few leaders along with the president. I think it is not bad for them to take some more time to discuss with the supporter, with the party workers, with the office bearer at the block level. Yes, they are not attached with the Congress party after the suspension, but unofficially they can discuss with the party workers. So as there is no time frame for them to reply the shockers, then there is no problem for them to take some more time to discuss with the party workers at the block level.